Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Sitting out in front of my daughter's beautiful flowers. I thought next time I make a video I'd like to sit in front of them. There'd be a beautiful little backdrop. Hopefully this works out. This is the noisier side of the house where the traffic, the cars drive by, and seems to be quite a few cars right now. Anyway, look at it, it's Father's Day. I'm wearing my new Father's Day shirt. It has the name of my town down there. I won't let you see it because I don't want you weirdos visiting me. Like you would. And new cap. You know how egotistical I am. I thought the C, I immediately took the C to be for Colin. It's for Canada. Yeah, egotism. Anyway, so just a quick video here to show off, I guess we could call it an unboxing video. This is a new set that my daughter got me for Father's Day that I had my eyes on. She somehow got onto my Amazon wish list and or shopping cart and saw that I had this in there. Now these are the two books devoted to the concept, fleshing out a bit of the concepts of the Force, that the Jedi's understanding of the Force and the Sith's understanding of the Force. And these are good resource books, basically because in writing my Star Wars book, it is very heavily about the Force itself, as I've said in previous videos. So it's good to make sure you're consistent with the lore, and also it gives me good ideas of what other people have said about the Force and so on. So let me just do the official unboxing here. It's not really official unboxing because I already unboxed them in the house a few minutes ago. So you get this beautiful little case, and now these are for sale each independently. So if you just wanted the Sith one or you just wanted the Jedi one, you could get that. But obviously they both come in a case together, and they're beautiful little books here, and they've got lots of pictures, lots of information, and they're supposed to be set as texts written by various Jedi, and that there's commentary in the margins and so on by different Jedi, whether Luke or Yoda or whomever, and it'll give you lots of information, lots of beautiful pictures, and so on. And the same thing for the Sith one. I hope you guys can hear me well enough. And this is the Book of the Sith, Secrets of the Dark Side. Now, in the lore, these are actual books. In the lore, they're actual books that different ones, different Sith or whatever have written. And for instance, so it's like, I don't know, there's 2 or 3 different books together, kind of books, and the Rule of Two section, obviously written by Darth Bane, and it has his theory of the Force and the best way to understand the Force. Lots of beautiful pictures, some history and so on as well. Prefaced by Darth Sidious, and this is in the lore as well that these were books actually written by the Jedi and the Sith. Now, if I remember correctly from videos I've seen, that an important is called the Jedi Path, a manual for students of the Force. Now, it has all the different stages: Initiate, Padawan, Jedi Knight, and that I think I've seen videos where these were texts studied by Luke Skywalker, for instance, because he didn't know, he didn't have a typical training. And in my novel as well, the whole point, or there's a big question of how, as I said, my story takes place in a remote part of the galaxy, in the deep core, which is not linked by hyperspace links. So it's physically not as far away, for instance, as the Outer Rim, but the parts of the Outer Rim are joined to to the Federation and to the mainstream of galactic culture because of the hyperspace lanes, the hyperspace routes, but much of the deep core isn't, because there's been no hyperspace lanes discovered. So they may be physically closer, but they're time-wise, travel-wise, much further away. So the evil character and the good character in my novel is the whole question of, well, where did they get their training? And so one of the things, of course, with the Sith characters, he gets his hands on these Sith books. So it's really cool how Lucasfilms or whatever created these books. So like these are the actual books, I suppose, in some ways that they're referring to in the comics or in the novels. So anyway, I just wanted to share those with you, and you can be sure I'll be reading them pretty closely and making sure that my understanding of the Force and my use of the lore is consistent with the other stuff. So anyway, wishing you all you fathers out there happy Father's Day, and hope you enjoyed my little flowers here, and I hope you heard it okay because the car's in the background. Anyway, God bless, guys, or whatever.